Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever dreamed of building a side hustle that pays you month after month without complicated tech skills, you're gonna love today's video. I'm gonna show you how you can use a simple tool called Memogram to turn local businesses into paying clients and create a steady stream of recurring income. Restaurants, gyms, hotels, and event organizers are desperate for authentic customer content. They spend thousands on ads and influencers, but what actually converts? Real photos, real videos, and real testimonials from everyday customers. The problem is businesses struggle to collect this content. They rely on outdated methods like asking customers to tag them online or sending awkward follow-up messages. Most of the time, they end up with nothing. That's where Memogram comes in. Memogram is a QR-powered platform that lets businesses collect customer photos, videos, reviews, and testimonials instantly while customers are still at the venue. Here's how simple it is. You set up a Memogram page for the business, generate a unique QR code in seconds, place that QR code at the restaurant table, gym reception, or hotel lobby. Customers scan it, upload their content, and boom, the business now has a stream of authentic photos, videos, and reviews ready to use for marketing. No app downloads, no accounts, no friction, just scan and share. Now, here's the exciting part. You don't just use Memogram, you sell it as a service. Restaurants will pay you to set up QR codes on their tables so they can collect birthday celebration videos and food reviews. Gyms will pay you to capture workout clips and transformation stories. Hotels will pay you to collect vacation photos and guest testimonials that boost bookings. You can charge a one-time setup fee, a monthly subscription, or both. And because businesses see the content flowing in instantly, they'll keep paying you months after months. Imagine a restaurant owner logging into their Memogram dashboard and seeing dozens of new customer videos from last night's dinner service. They repost them on Instagram and engagement skyrockets. Or picture a hotel showcasing authentic guest vacation photos on their website, instantly building trust with future visitors. That's the power of Memogram, and you're the one who makes it happen. So, if you've been looking for a side hustle that's simple, unsaturated, and insanely profitable, Memogram is your answer. Just a QR code, a 5-minute setup, and clients who pay you every single month. That's it for me today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more high-converting strategies, and drop a comment below telling me which type of business you'd pitch Memogram to first. Restaurants, gyms, hotels, or maybe all three. See you in the next one.